Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on Samsung Galaxy M33. And to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Open the app, inside find the files that you'll be unpacking. In this case, let's go right here. Now click on the file. Then on this arrow pointing up button, you'll enter extraction options. Here you can change any options, it's not necessary. You can click on browse to change the designation where the files will be unpacked. I want them in my movies folder. Click on OK to save that, then click on OK again to unpack your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.